Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I have a couple of neat things to show you today. One of them is this right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be kind of hard to see it. This is called Vinyl Shield. It is a protectant for your decals that you can put over your decal, and not only will it keep these small letters from falling off, but it makes it dishwasher safe, which is really neat. But it's not just for cups. You can also put it over your decals that you're going to put on a car to make it stick better and to protect your finishes. It has a UV protectant on it, so that's really neat. So, and I'll link that in the description. And I'll also link this vinyl. This vinyl is so pretty. I don't know if you can see that or not. This holographic vinyl is this is called Fantasy Film, and this I get from MI Vinyl World, and I will link where you can get a coupon code for 10 off of 30. And I'll also link the Vinyl Shield. I got that from TRW, the Rhinestone World, and I'll link that in the description also. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to try something new today that I've never done before, and that is to add my top layer with parchment paper to make the lining it up a little easier. Usually I just eyeball it. So let's see how this works. So go ahead and like the video if it helps you, but make sure you subscribe also. I come out with new videos probably once a week or so. Just, new fun things that you can do with your Silhouette or Cricut, or, any cutting machine you have. You might be large format. Also, join me on Facebook. I'll link that. I'll link our groups in the description. I have a whole bunch of very large Cricut and Silhouette groups. Cricut for Beginners is about 400,000 people right now. Super friendly, super helpful. Just a really great community we have. So we'd love to have you, and I'll link that in the description. Such a neat material. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll bring this over here. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to put that like that. Oops. And then take this. It's really, really, really hard to see. It's going to be easier just to go ahead and eyeball it. For this one, at least. I'll try that again on another video. But for this one, just because it's so hard to see, and especially in this lighting. Let me move this a little bit closer to me. This is going to be so neat. I'm super excited about the options this is going to give. Okay, there we go. I've been at this for quite a few years, so I'm actually pretty decent at eyeballing it. Peel this right off here. Oops. So I recently got a new blade for my cutter, and I have not gotten the settings exact, so I'm getting a little bit too deep of a cut. That's why I'm having a little bit of trouble here. There we go. Okay, so now let me show you something really neat. So, I just got this today, and I am super excited about it. So this is, it's going to be kind of hard to see it. This is a cradle for your cup. So you could totally make one of these. You could, all it is, you can see that all it is like hardware. You could totally make one of those if in fact you wanted to take the time and energy to do that. I did not want to take the time and energy to do it, so I went on Amazon and I grabbed one there. I'll link this one in the description. It's got, I like this. It's got the, you know, the guides right there. And let me show you this. This is beautiful. So this is the cup we're putting it on. This is a cup from a company called Save a Cup, and I wish you could get a better view of it. It is fantastic. So look at this, watch this. Do you see how easy that comes off and how nice that goes on? It's just a really, really nice cup. I'm really loving these, and I will link this in the description also. It would take so much time making these, and then I see people put them on just, you know, these cheap cups, and I don't know, I mean, not that these are expensive, they're super, super reasonable. Do you see that gold? It is so pretty. So super reasonable, but they're like high-end cups. Why, if you're going to take the time and energy to make something, why wouldn't you put it on, you know, a nice cup that you can be proud to give? This is going to be so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. I love this. That vinyl shield is so nice. Okay. And it's down. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. And that's just so awesome that you can put it in the dishwasher. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we've got. Oh, do you see that? Oh, wow. That is absolutely spectacular. I love it. And this font, let me just tell you, this font is, I've been using it like every day this week. I've used it. It is absolutely fantastic. I will link this font in the description too. Can you see how pretty that is? Every Silhouette or Cricut owner should own this font. It is absolutely fantastic. So I'll link the font in the description. I will link the cups. I'll link Save a Cup. I will link the cradle that I used. I'll link this vinyl. I'll link the vinyl shield. And I'll link our group. Make sure you join our group. You will love it there. Everybody is so friendly and so helpful, and it's just such a great community. All of our communities are. I'll link a couple of them, but I'll link the largest ones. And, you know, I mean, I guess that's about it. Make sure you subscribe so you see all the new videos, and have a good day. Bye.